Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 5353, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 5353? What's the symbolism of 5353? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 5353 mean for love? What does 5353 mean for twin flames? What does 5353 for manifestation? How does angel number 5353 affect finances? What does 5353 mean for former relationships? How does 5353 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 5353? What are the weaknesses of angel number 5353? What's the meaning of angel number 5353? Angel number 5353 is a sign of personal transformation driven by creativity and choice. This number encourages you to take bold steps toward your life goals, especially when major decisions are needed. The repetition of 5 and 3 emphasizes change, growth, and communication. It often appears when you're on the edge of a breakthrough or need to trust your instincts. The angels are guiding you to use your talents, learn from experience, and move forward with confidence. This number signifies that you're being supported in taking inspired action to create a life aligned with your soul's highest path. What's the symbolism of angel number 5353? Symbolically, angel number 5353 blends the energies of 5, freedom, change, and 3, expression, creativity, representing a powerful shift that's driven by imagination, optimism, and courage. Seeing 5353 suggests a time of transformation where you're being urged to break free from limitations and embrace your authentic self. It symbolizes the power of your voice, your personal truth, and your ability to reshape your world through choice and communication. Your angels are symbolically saying, trust your inner wisdom, express yourself honestly, and take the leap. This number represents growth through experience and transformation through creative, confident self-expression. What is the angel number 5353's spiritual significance? Spiritually, 5353 signifies an awakening to your divine purpose through the path of personal freedom and inspired communication. This number calls you to align with your higher self by expressing your truth and embracing your unique spiritual gift. The presence of double threes highlights creative expression as a spiritual act, while the 5s push you to evolve beyond old constraints. The angels are asking you to trust divine timing and to see your life as a canvas for growth and self-discovery. You're being spiritually supported as you step into your next chapter with courage, authenticity, and spiritual awareness. What does the angel number 5353 mean for love? In love, 5353 suggests change, communication, and the importance of being true to yourself in relationship. Whether you're single or in a partnership, this number encourages honesty, self-expression, and emotional growth. It may signal that you or your partner are evolving and that the relationship needs to adapt to remain aligned. If you're single, it's a call to release fear and express what you truly desire in love. The number supports healthy boundaries, joyful connections, and spiritual compatibility. Your angels want you to love from a place of freedom, not obligation, and to embrace romantic growth without fear. What does angel number 5353 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 5353 points to rapid growth, necessary adjustments, and deeper self-discovery within the connection. Both twins may be undergoing personal transformations that impact the relationship's dynamic. The repeated 5s suggest change and breakthroughs, while the 3s highlight the need for open, honest communication. It can indicate a phase of separation, reunion, or leveling up, depending on where the bond currently stands. Your angels are encouraging both partners to express their truths and follow their soul paths without losing the spiritual connection. Progress may feel intense, but it's paving the way for a more authentic union. What does angel number 5353 for manifestation? Angel number 5353 is a powerful signal for manifesting change, especially through creativity and personal empowerment. This number invites you to focus on what you truly desire and to speak it into existence with clarity and passion. The fives drive change and movement, while the threes bring imagination and manifestation power through expression. The universe is responding to your thoughts and intentions, so be mindful of what you're asking for. Stay flexible, optimistic, and open to new paths. Your angels want you to take action with faith, knowing that your dreams are possible when fueled by vision and authenticity. How does angel number 5353 affect finances? Financially, angel number 5353 suggests change, opportunities, and the need for smart, adaptable decision-making. The energy of this number encourages you to take creative approaches to your income, such as starting a side hustle, changing careers, or investing in skills that increase your value. It may also highlight the need to break free from financial habits that no longer serve you. Your angels are urging you to trust your instincts and stay alert to unexpected chances for prosperity. Balance risk with wisdom, stay open-minded, and express your talents boldly. Financial growth will follow those who move with courage and clarity. What does angel number 5353 mean for former relationships? Angel number 5353 encourages healing from past relationships by promoting understanding, forgiveness, and self-expression. This number suggests that reflecting on former partners may bring lessons that help you grow emotionally and spiritually. The energy of 5 promotes release and transition, while 3 inspires compassionate communication and closure. If you're struggling with unresolved feelings, 5353 urges you to express yourself, seek clarity, and let go with love. Your angels want you to carry forward only what supports your personal evolution. It's a reminder that your past doesn't define your future, it's a foundation for wiser, healthier love moving forward. How does angel number 5353 guide your work life? In work, angel number 5353 points to career shifts, creative expansion, and finding your voice in what you do. It often appears when you're being called to pursue a more fulfilling path, one that aligns with your passions and natural talent. You may be inspired to lead, communicate, or innovate in new ways. If you feel stuck, your angels are nudging you to take bold steps toward change. Embrace networking, pitch ideas, or explore new industries. 5353 reminds you that your work can be both purposeful and exciting, especially when you trust your intuition and express your skills freely. What are the strengths of angel number 5353? Angel number 5353 carries powerful strengths: adaptability, creative thinking, strong communication, and the courage to pursue change. People aligned with this number tend to be visionary and optimistic, with a gift for inspiring others and solving problems in unconventional ways. Their flexibility helps them thrive in changing environments, and their ability to express themselves clearly often draws success and support. They are quick learners, fearless explorers, and emotionally intelligent. Their strength lies in knowing that growth requires risk and in being willing to step into the unknown. They turn life's transitions into opportunities for innovation and personal empowerment. What are the weaknesses of angel number 5353? The weaknesses of 5353 include restlessness, impulsivity, and inconsistency. Because this number thrives on change, those influenced by it may struggle with commitment or staying grounded during times of upheaval. They might start new projects enthusiastically but abandon them when things become routine. The need for constant stimulation can sometimes hinder long-term planning or cause emotional burnout. Additionally, while self-expression is a strength, it can turn into oversharing or speaking without tact if not managed. The angels encourage you to channel this energy into focused, meaningful action and to develop patience, structure, and emotional stability amid transformation.